In the previous class, students, we have discussed different types of living beings that make the living world, like Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, that we discussed in the previous class, their characteristic features. And all these animals, all these organisms require energy. All are energy dependent. And this energy they get from their food. So where from this food come? For energy, every living organism require food, and food is provided ultimate source of food of every living organisms are the plants. Plants synthesize food by a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, that means we depend on, ultimately all living beings depend on plants, and plants synthesize food, make food by the process that is known as the photosynthesis. So what is this photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a physico-chemical process. This is a physico-chemical process by which plants, that is green plants, convert solar energy, that is sunlight, into chemical energy. So this is a very short definition of photosynthesis, a physico-chemical process by which plants use solar energy to synthesize organic chemical compounds. That chemical energy means organic chemical compounds. So chemical energy is conserved in these organic chemical compounds. And all living forms, that's why all living forms depend on sunlight for this energy. The use of energy from sunlight by plants is the process of photosynthesis, that is the basis of life on earth. So this process, the use of energy from sunlight by plants in photosynthesis is the basis of life on earth. So this is a very fundamental process only carried out by photosynthesis, only carried out by green plants, and today in these two classes we will discuss this process of photosynthesis and its importance, the machinery involved in the process of photosynthesis, and the process of photosynthesis and the chemical processes involved in this process of photosynthesis. First of all, we will discuss the importance of this process. Importance, as I have already told you, importance of the process. importance of the process. This is the primary source of food on earth. So only 2 points I will tell you, students. Primary source of food. Supposing one herbivore गोटे तृणभोजी गला सी घास खाइला कि गछपत्र खाइला सो ताकू आम जदि कार्निवोर खाइला सो दैट इज इनडायरेक्टली से फोटोसिंथेसिस उपरे दैट एनिमल इज डिपेंडिंग वी ऑल डिपेंड ऑन दिस सो दिस इज द प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ फूड photosynthesis importance of photosynthesis in 2 points we can say that one, it is the primary source of food. Second, it is responsible for release of oxygen. Release of oxygen. Students, you know oxygen is the source of we live we live in a very oxygenated atmosphere. Oxygen is very essential. So responsible. So this is the only process by which oxygen is released. So in this chapter, in this process of photosynthesis, these are the 2 important processes in points I am telling you because we have to cover a lot of things. Then in the process of photosynthesis, we will discuss the photosynthetic machinery. First of all, photosynthetic machinery. Where does the organelle in the plant where the process of photosynthesis take place? Then various reactions that transform various reactions that transform the light energy to chemical energy. So mainly we will discuss these 2 things. This is the importance. This is the where the part of the plant that is responsible for photosynthesis, that is photosynthetic machinery, and what are the reactions that take place there so that this happens. So up till now what is your knowledge? आमर कौन आमे कौन जानिचे फोटोसिंथेसिस विषय रे तमे जो क्लास को आसिल से क्लास ए पर्यंत तमे कौन जानिच से कम रे मु कहबी that I will tell you in very brief that we know our knowledge is for photosynthesis chloroplast is essential. Chloroplast, that you know, chloroplast, that is the green pigment. Normally this is the green pigment. Chloroplast is a green pigment in the leaf, mainly in the leaf, maybe in some plants stems may possess chlorophyll. Green pigment of the leaf. Light, for photosynthesis we know light is essential. Then carbon dioxide, that we know. We also know, these things, that in the process of photosynthesis there is starch formation. How can you show? तमे केमती देखै पारबो starch formation? Supposing गोटे variegated leaf, जो लीफ रो ग्रीन पोर्शन अच्छी नॉन ग्रीन पोर्शन अच्छी एमती पत्र अच्छी बाक्स गचर पत्र है सेमती वेरीगेटेड लीफ जो गचर अच्छी तुम देख ग्रीन पोर्शन जदि तुम ये कर सेपरेट कर identify it, you will find in the green portion there is starch, but in the non-green portion you won't find starch, no starch. Or गोटे ग्रीन लीफ नहीं कि तमें गोटे पत्र नेल ग्रीन लीफ नेल गोटे पार्ट को तमें कार्बन पेपर गुड़े दब बंद करदेव एक्सपोज कर पत्र को सनलाइट की एक्सपोज द लीफ टू द सनलाइट you will find in the this is the green part, this is the covered part so तमें देखिबो यही covered part रे there is no starch formation, in the green part there is starch formation. So if you will cover it with a black paper or a carbon paper, then you will find that in the green portion there is starch formation, in non-green portion there is no starch formation. So एमती तुम कि छोटे छोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट सब जानी थी स्कूल स्टेज रे करी एक्सपेरिमेंट तुम फोटोसिंथेसिस जानापी फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट रे होचे बोली देखापी तुम करी पिला माने किंतु ये सब विषय केमती डेवलप कला आरंभ है ऑक्सीजन विषय जानिले प्रिस्टली. सो एक्सपेरिमेंट सब कौन है प्रिस्टले for the first time proved that air is necessary for photosynthesis. 1770s रे photosynthesis पाए for the first time air is necessary. He showed से first केमती एयर नेसेसरी मु खाली छोटिया एक्सपेरिमेंट कर जहाँ करथिले सेटा कहूँ गोटे कैंडल जालिले ता उपरे गोटे जार कवर करदेले कैंडल से भितर गोटे मूषा छाड़िले माउस. It was observed that after some time that mouse dies and this also gets extinguished, लिभि जाउची तापरे मूषाटा मरी जाउची. लेटर एक्सपेरिमेंट से कौन कले गोटे मिंट गछ mint plant grew in it, and when mint plant was grown inside this bell jar, then he observed, it was observed that mouse lives and also the candle doesn't get extinguished. So he could prove that air is necessary for photosynthesis, because air thibaru photosynthesis करुथिबारु से प्लांट ग्रीन प्लांट मिंट प्लांट photosynthesis करुथिबारु ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट होउची एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहरुची ताको यूज करुची. सो माउस मरुने कि कैंडल लिभुने. सो इट वाज 1717. Then I won't describe in detail. Then important landmark खाली मु कहूची यही photosynthesis process रे कौन experiments सब होई ची. In the middle of the 19th century, it was known that plants could use light energy to make carbohydrates. So by the middle of the 19th century, middle of 19th century, it was known that plants use light energy to make carbohydrates from CO2. मु तुम आरंभ रे जोटा कहि CO2 H2O in the presence of light energy. light, and there is formation of CH2, a carbohydrate and liberation of oxygen. And a process a milestone was reached by Van Niel. Van Niel towards the end of the 19th century, early 20th century, he did a series of experiments on purple and green bacteria. He did a series of experiments on purple and green bacteria, demonstrated that photosynthesis is a light dependent process. He demonstrated that photosynthesis is light dependent. Light dependent. And demonstrated photosynthesis is light in which hydrogen from a suitable oxidizable compound reduce carbon dioxide. It is a light dependent process in which hydrogen from a suitable oxidizable compound reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. So, he did experiments with the purple and green bacteria, and he showed that the hydrogen from a suitable oxidizable source, suitable oxidizable compound reduce carbon dioxide suitable. So, if you take H2O, then CO2, it will be CH2O and O2. If you will take other than hydrogen contributor, source of hydrogen, then so it is getting oxidized, and carbon dioxide is getting reduced. CH2O and there is formation of like this. Supposing in this place if we will use sulfurated hydrogen, then there may be formation of sulfates like that. There is formation, there may not be formation of oxygen. So, in green plants, he showed that he used green bacteria and purple bacteria. In green plants H2O is the hydrogen donor. So, hydrogen donor is H2O. But in sulfur bacteria, oxidation product is sulfur or sulfate. So, it may be sulfur or it may be sulfate. So, like this he did experiment, and he was for the first time he could conclusively prove that the source from which the oxygen is evolved is water. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट हुए बोली से प्रथम करी देखले नले आगुरु लोक भाबुतिले जे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज द सोर्स फ्रॉम व्हिच बट दैट इज नॉट द फैक्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गेट्स reduced, this is getting oxidized, it is liberating oxygen hydrogen, and this is receiving hydrogen. So carbon dioxide is getting reduced and this is getting oxidized. Water molecule getting oxidized, as it gets oxidized O2 is liberated, oxygen is liberated, and this conclusion of Van Niel was effectively finally proven by isotopic studies, radioisotopic studies. It was conclusively proved that source of oxygen that is liberated in the process of photosynthesis is water, not carbon dioxide. Now we will discuss about the photosynthetic machinery in brief, not in detail. I will tell you in brief that is necessary for you to know. You must have in your cell biology classes, you must have studied about the structure of a plant cell. If plant cell is like this, you must have there is a nucleus. You must have studied there may be mitochondria, there may be chloroplast. So, like this is nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, so many things are there in a cell, but we are concerned that photosynthesis takes place in the green pigments. Green pigments that is called chloroplast. So, this is the structure of a chloroplast. I will elaborate the structure very little, that you must have read it, that in a plant cell there are different organelles like nucleus, nucleus, and in the cytoplasm of that cell you will find mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, vacuole, so many things. So many things you find, but photosynthesis takes place in these green pigments which are called as the chloroplast. Where can you find these green pigments? Mainly green pigments are located in the mesophyll tissues. You must be knowing that in a leaf you must have seen the leaf. There are vascular bundles, and all around this vascular bundle in the cortical zone the tissue is known as the mesophyll. Mesophyll tissue, there are spongy and palisade parenchyma, and this spongy and palisade parenchyma are full of palisade parenchyma are full of this what you know as these chloroplast. These are full of chloroplast, palisade and spongy parenchyma, and you must have known about that. And in this chloroplast, if you will elaborate the structure of this chloroplast, this organelle, cell organelle chloroplast, you will find this is a double membrane structure. दुईटा मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी गोटे सेल तीनटा ऑर्गेनेल अच्छे तीनोटी ऑर्गेनेल जार के डबल मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी तुम पिला माने मन रख तीनटा ऑर्गेनेल गोटे सेल अच्छी जार के डबल मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी आउ कौन सी ऑर्गेनेल डबल मेम्ब्रेन नहीं से तीनटा ऑर्गेनेल किए होला मुई तीनोटी ऑर्गेनेल कहूँ एटा न्यूक्लियस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट यही तीनोटा डबल मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी आउ कहार डबल मेम्ब्रेन नहीं सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द आउटर मेम्ब्रेन this is the inner membrane and the matrix of the chloroplast, entire volume of the chloroplast, the matrix of the chloroplast is known as the stroma and scattered in the stroma are stacks of these structures. These lamellar structures एमती स्ट्रक्चर तुम देखो ता छड़ा यू विल फाइंड राइबोसोम्स, you will find starch bodies, ता छड़ा little amount of DNA and RNA are present in the chloroplast and also in the mitochondria. Chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus, ये तीनटार सिमिलारिटी होची डबल लेयर मेम्ब्रेन, तीनटा डबल लेयर मेम्ब्रेन एंड तांका भितर डीएनए आरएनए न्यूक्लियस रे मेजर अमाउंट अच्छी किंतु से न्यूक्लियस इज ए सेल्फ रेप्लिकेटिंग ऑर्गेनेल एंड ऑल्सो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर पार्शियली सेल्फ रेप्लिकेटिंग बिकॉज दे हैव द डीएनए आरएनए एंड ऑल्सो लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ राइबोसोम्स and these गुड़ाको कहते ग्राना, the lamellar structure which are in stalks, these are known as the grana lamella, and these are known as the एमती का जो सिंगल लेता है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द स्ट्रोमा लामेला तमें को स्ट्रोमा लामेला so this is the grana lamella, these are the stroma lamella. So grana stroma lamella को तमें टिके ए स्ट्रक्चर उड़ा को टिके मने रखो, it is a double membrane structure, inner membrane अच्छी, outer membrane अच्छी, and matrix of the chloroplast is known as the stroma and scattered in the stroma are stacks of piles of lamellar structures which are known as the grana, and grana are connected by lamellar structure which are known as the stroma lamella. Stroma and grana lamella, the stroma lamella, ये तीनिटार नाटा को मने रखो. You have to remember this thing because it is very important. I will tell you later on. The membrane system, these are all membranous structures. ये जो lamella, grana, these are membranous structure. This membrane system is responsible for trapping, converting light energy and synthesis of ATP. एगुड़ा होची ये जो membrane system सब अच्छी. This is a chloroplast is full of membrane system. तमें देखो इटी outer membrane, inner membrane, ये सब membrane, ये membrane अच्छी. So this membrane system is responsible for trapping light energy and synthesis of ATP and NADPH. तमें जो जानी चा स्कूल स्टेज रे जानी चा ATP लाइट रिएक्शन ने हुए ATP and NADPH synthesis यही membrane grana भीतर हुए कि स्ट्रोमा लामेला रे हुए. सो स्ट्रोमा काम कौन करे? स्ट्रोमा in the stroma all enzymatic reactions occur. And in these enzymatic reactions they incorporate CO2 into the plant system and that is known as the sugar synthesis. And so this one reaction, one system, these membrane systems where the light energy is converted to solar energy is converted to these chemical energies ATP, NADPH, से reaction जहाँ हुए ताकू कहती conveniently light reaction or photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. A stroma रे जो enzymatic reaction सब हुए, that is not directly light dependent. मु जहाँ कहूँ मन, it is not directly light dependent. Indirectly, I will tell you later. But that's why the reactions that take place in stroma are called dark reactions. Photosynthesis रे तमें जानिच दीटा रिएक्शन हुए, गोटे होची लाइट रिएक्शन. मु स्ट्रक्चर दबार उद्देश्य होची तमें जानिया कथा. There are membrane systems and inside these one of these membrane systems one or two of these membrane systems, light energy is converted to chemical energy like ATP and NADPH. That is one. So that those reactions are called as the light reaction, that is light dependent reaction or photochemical reaction. It is conveniently it is directly dependent on the solar energy. That is one. Second thing, you have to remember the reactions that take place in the stoma are known as the chemical reactions. Chemical reaction, that is partially independent of light energy, not completely. I am telling you, not completely dependent on light energy, but it is partially dependent on the light energy. So the reactions that take place here are known as the dark reactions. So ये जो reaction होची, what is a, first of all I will tell you the what is a pigment and the pigments that is responsible for this photosynthesis. तमे क्रोमाटोग्राम बनई थिबो कि बनईबो करिवो क्रोमाटोग्राम तमे गोटा स्पॉट नहीं क्लोरोफिल की आइसोलेट करिवो क्रॉस करिवो गोटा ग्रीन लीव्स डेफिनाइट अमाउंट तुम प्रैक्टिकल अच्छी ताकू क्रॉस करिवो क्रॉस करी ताकू गोटे गोटे सॉल्यूशन डिजॉल्व करी क्रॉस करिवो 70% की 80% इथाइल अल्कोहल की एसीटोन ने ताकू नहीं क्रॉस करिवो सी सैंड देकी केमती तापर सेंट्रीफ्यूज करिवो सेंट्रीफ्यूज करी जो ग्रीन पोर्शनटा बाहरिवो डिकांट करनबो सेटाकू तमे गोटे स्पॉट देकरी ताको क्रोमाटोग्राफी क्रोमाटोग्राम रे जेतेबेले रन करिवो तमे देखिवो चारि प्रकार पिगमेंट 4 टाइप्स ऑफ पिगमेंट ए एक्सपेरिमेंट तमरो अच्छी प्रैक्टिकल ले पड़े परीक्षा रे तमे एक्सपेरिमेंट करिवो डेफिनाइट ओजन ग्रीन लीफ नहीं ताको क्रॉस करी ताको सुटेबल सॉल्यूशन डिजॉल्व करी सेंट्रीफ्यूज करी तार येटा को बाहर करने कारण सी सैंडटा को अलग करदेव सेंट्रीफ्यूज कले ताकू जो ग्रीन पोर्शनटा नहीं गोटे स्पॉट कि दुटा स्पॉट देले तमें देखो जे चारिटा जोन एटा सेपरेट हो जाउची क्रोमाटोग्रामटा चारिटा जोन ने सेपरेट हो जाउची चारि पिगमेंट. सो व्हाट इज दिस पिगमेंट? पिगमेंट आर द मॉलिक्यूल्स व्हिच कैन ट्रैप लाइट एनर्जी. Simple definition, I am not going to the details. The pigments are molecules that can, a combination of molecule or a molecule that can trap light energy. That से जे जोटा लाइट एनर्जी की धरी पार आम आखिरे गोटे पिगमेंट अच्छी बोली आम देखिपे. सो राति आम देखिपार दिन देखिपारे बिकज से आमर आखिरे पिगमेंट अच्छी. सो सेमती चारिटा पिगमेंट अच्छी. तमें जब क्रोमाटोग्राम कर यू विल फाइंड 4 टाइप्स ऑफ पिगमेंट. One is chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A. Second is chlorophyll B. Then xanthophylls. Carotenes. सो यही क्लोरोफिल यही पिगमेंट तुम देखो जो रन कर जो क्रोमाटोग्राम रे रन कर गोटे ये नहीं क्लोज जगार तुम रन कर तुम आ कलर देख ब्राइट ब्राइट और ब्राइट और ब्लू ग्रीन. सेटा हूँ क्लोरोफिल ए. जोटा देखो येलो ग्रीन that is chlorophyll B. Xanthophylls are yellow. Carotenes are yellow or yellow orange. Yellow orange. एमती चारिटा पिगमेंट तमें आइसोलेट करिवो जदि क्रोमाटोग्राम करिवो तम प्रैक्टिकल तमें करिवो. सो पिगमेंट्स आर सब्सटेंसेस मु तुमको कहली दैट कैन ऑब्जर्व ट्रैप मु तुमको कहली दैट कैन ऑब्जर्व द लाइट एनर्जी. ऑब्जर्वेशन आमे केमिति जानिले जे यही चारिटा पिगमेंट इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस आमे जदि गोटा क्लोरोफिल्टार ये करिया रन करिया क्रोमाटोग्राम रे आमे चारटा पिगमेंट देखैबा आमे जानिचे जे विबग्योर कथा जानिचे सोलार एनर्जी रे सातटा रंग अछि वायोलेट इंडिगो ब्लू ग्रीन येलो ऑरेंज रेड सातटा कलर प्राय 380 नैनोमीटर रु नियरली 780 और 760 एमती का 800 जाए एमती अच्छी ये स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ लाइट ए स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ लाइट तुम जो व्हाइट लाइट की देखुच दैट इज डिफ्यूज लाइट इट कंप्राइजेस ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दी 7 कलर्स एंड तुम देखो ये जो चारिटा पिगमेंट भितर मैक्सिमम अब्जॉर्प्शन होची जो सनलाइट मैक्सिमम अब्जॉर्प्शन होची दिस ब्लू एंड रेड रीजन ने तुम जे देखो गोटे ग्राफ प्लॉट कर देखो अब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम तुम देखो जे मैक्सिमम अब्जॉर्प्शन ब्लू रे होची एंड देयर इज इन द रेड जोन एंड इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व्ड it has been also observed that this absorption spectrum and action spectrum that is photosynthetic spectrum overlap यही दुईटा रीजन करछि तेणु समस्ते कहती ब्लू लाइट रेड लाइट ब्लू एंड रेड वेवलेंथ्स ऑफ लाइट आर maximally efficient in photosynthetic process पिला माने तमरो फोटोसिंथेसिस एक्सपेरिमेंट करिवो परीक्षा रे प्रैक्टिकल आसीबो तुमको दिया हेतिबो तीनटा कि चारटा रंग दिया हेतिबो कलर पेपर दिया हेतिबो कलर पेपर देकी तुमको कहइतिबो जे को लाइट रे आसे सपोजिंग तुमको दिया हेछि नॉर्मल लाइट रेड एंड ग्रीन तमें कौ लाइट रे बेसी देखो ये हूँ फोटोसिंथेसिस इट इज नॉट रेड मु तुमको जहाँ कहली एक्शन और अब्जॉर्प्शन जदि ओवरलैप करुची रेड रे मैक्सिमम हूँ कि ब्लू रे मैक्सिमम अब्जॉर्प्शन एंड एक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम हूँ फोटोसिंथेसिस हूँ किंतु जदि मिसेक देबा ऑल द लाइट ये चारिटा पिगमेंट जाक पिगमेंट अल्पे बहुते अन्य वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट की ऑब्जर्व करुची एंड दैट इज यूज्ड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस रे भी यूज होची तेणु सबु जगह जदि मिसीगला तुम देखिबो जे फोटोसिंथेटिक रेट निश्चय अधिका हेबो तुम जदि एमते नॉर्मल लाइट जदि नथिबो रेड ऑरेंज ग्रीन थी ताल तुम रेड कहीपर किंतु जिते दिया एमती तुम देखो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर देखो नॉर्मल लाइट रे सब अधिका फोटोसिंथेसिस आसो तुम प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सो इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज पिगमेंट्स दीज 4 पिगमेंट्स क्लोरोफिल ए इज द मेजर पिगमेंट and chlorophyll B xanthophyls carotins are the accessory pigment आकु कहती major pigment because action spectrum and absorption spectrum तुम देखिलो blue और red region ने maximum and chlorophyll A रो तेणु that is the major pigment. Chlorophyll A is the major pigment and these 3 pigments are accessory pigment. तेणु normal light रे खाली blue और red नहीं सब जाक wavelength absorb होई परिबो and all these accessory pigment also take part in absorbing solar energy and transforming it to the chlorophyll A. So नॉर्मल लाइट रे सबुठारु बेसी फोटोसिंथेसिस हम सो तुम ये जानी था क्लोरोफिल ए को कहते मेजर पिगमेंट आउ अन्य सब गुड़ा कहते एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट और सपोर्टिंग पिगमेंट एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट्स ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व लाइट एंड ट्रांसफर इट टू क्लोरोफिल ए से माने ऑब्जर्व करी से ट्रांसफर करते क्लोरोफिल ए को इंडीड दे डू नॉट ओनली एनेबल वाइडर रेंज ऑफ इनकमिंग लाइट टू बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन फोटोसिंथेसिस बट प्रोटेक्ट क्लोरोफिल ए from photo oxidation. सो एमाने ये जो एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट इंपोर्टेंस है जे ये खाली ट्रांसफर कलेनी जे ट्राप्ड एनर्जी जो एनर्जी की रिसीव कले ताको क्लोरोफिल ए को खाली ट्रांसफर कलेनी से माने आल्सो आकु प्रोटेक्ट करंदी क्लोरोफिल मेजर पिगमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करंदी फ्रॉम फोटो ऑक्सीडेशन लाइट रे ऑक्सीडाइज हो ताकू सेव करंदी ऑक्सीडेशन फोटो ऑक्सीडेशन सो दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस तुम जब परीक्षा पढ़ो एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट तुम लिख जे मेनली दीज 4 पिगमेंट्स are responsible for the photosynthesis, but chlorophyll A is called as the major pigment. Its action and absorption spectrum is maximum at the blue and red region, but the chlorophyll B, xanthophyll carotenoids are called accessory pigment. They not only they trap solar energy, they have capacity to trap some amount of solar energy and transfer it to the chemical energy, and they also protect chlorophyll A from the photo oxidation. So that is the importance of accessory pigments. Now we will come to the reactions. So these are the machinery तुमको कही दीटा पार्ट रे हमें डिस्क्राइब करिवा फोटोसिंथेसिस की machinery responsible for photosynthesis. So we have discussed about the machinery, then we will come to the reactions. What is light reactions? Reactions in photosynthesis. Light has a photochemical phase. The photosynthesis process has a photochemical phase, as I have told you, light phase, photochemical phase. Photochemical phase, that is in this phase, light reaction मन रखो there is light absorption. कौन हुए light absorption photochemical phase रे light absorption, water splitting, oxygen release, formation of high energy chemical intermediates like ATP and NADPH. So photochemical phase रे तमे यही जिनस गुड़ा को तमे स्ट्रेस दब लाइट absorption हब, there is absorption of light in the photochemical, water splitting. As a result of water splitting, there will be oxygen release, formation of high energy chemical intermediate like ATP, NADPH. सेतिपई तमे स्कूल स्टेज रे पढ़थिबो जे लाइट रिएक्शन ने ATP फॉर्मेशन हुए, NADPH फॉर्मेशन हुए एंड ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हुए. ये तीनटा हुए, बट लाइट absorption वाटर स्प्लिटिंग भी हबारू ये सब हुए. तेणु तुम युवा सब इनक्लूड कर. सो दिस रिएक्शन, लाइट रिएक्शन इनवॉल्व्स सेवरल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. अनेक गुड़ाए कॉम्प्लेक्स अच्छी, several complexes. This reaction involve several complexes. ये जो चारि पाँचटा रिएक्शन मुझे देखली लाइट अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑक्सीजन वाटर स्प्लिटिंग ऑक्सीजन लिबरेशन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाई एनर्जी केमिकल इंटरमीडिएट ये सब पाई कि ये सब प्रोसेस पे देयर आर सेवरल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस are there. Here, pigments are organized into two discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes. Here, pigments are organized. Pigments, जो चारटा pigment कहले दी, those pigments are organized. Pigments are organized into two distinct two discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes. तमें यह सब अर्थ बुझी पार्थुबो लाइट एनर्जी के हार्वेस्ट करिया पे कॉम्प्लेक्सेस एंड these complexes are called as the photosystems. So तमु जदि पचरा गला what are photosystem, write a note on photosystem. Photosystems are pigments where in the process of light reaction, pigments are organized into two discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes. Those are known as the photosystems. They may be photosystem 1 or photosystem 2. They may be photosystem 1 or photosystem 2. So, ये जो 1 और 2 ना दिया है सीक्वेंस ऑफ डिस्कवरीज जे जोटा आग डिस्कवर है ताको PS1 कहले जोटा पछरे डिस्कवर है. सो दिस फोटो सिस्टम तुम पड़ी फोटो सिस्टम 1 पड़ी. सो तुम फास्ट सेंटेंस देखल दिस पिगमेंट्स आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनटू discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes which are known as the photosystem. Photosystem light harvesting in these complexes comprise of hundreds of pigment molecules. A complex होची comprised of hundreds of pigment molecules bound to proteins. That is, and these are shortly called as the antenna molecules. Hundreds of pigment molecules bound to proteins, these are called as the antenna molecules. And mainly these are all accessory pigments, and there is one chlorophyll A molecule. Chlorophyll A molecule that is called photoreaction center. Photoreaction center, and peak of absorption, maximal absorption in PS1, maximal absorption in PS1 takes place at 700 nanometers. That's why that is called as the P700. P700, maximal absorption at 700 nanometer, that's why that is called as the P700. And in PS2, maximal absorption is at 680 nanometers. That's why that is called as the P680. These are all PRC, photoreaction center. Photoreaction center. So तमे याकू मन रखियो PS1 PS2 कंपेयर करिया को पड़ी पारे ये करि पारे. सो तुमको लिखिया को पड़िबो तो PS1 और PS2 that is pigments organized into discrete chemical photochemical light harvesting complexes. That may be PS1 or PS2 that comprises of hundreds of molecules which bound to antenna molecules. They absorb light energy, absorb and but they don't do any reaction, absorb light energy, light and transmit it to this reaction center. One chlorophyll A molecule, its maximal absorption is maybe at 700 nanometer or maybe at 680 nanometer. And depending on that, it is named as the P700. PS1 stands for P700 because that P means pigment maximally absorption is at 700 and here maximal absorption at 680. So that is called P700. This is P680. So the PS1 and PS2, the light harvesting complex is like this. So there are two complexes, one is PS1, another is PS2. तो तमे जदि तार yes तमे जदि तार चित्र करिवो तो देखैबाकू चाहिबो it is like this. These are all accessory pigments, antenna molecules, hundreds of pigments are there. And here is PS1 that is primary acceptor. Primary acceptor of solar energy. So the photon light energy comes here and that gets transmitted and ultimately reach here, and that is known as the primary acceptor, or that is known as the photoreaction center. The one chlorophyll A molecule, these are all accessory pigments. So this is the light harvesting complex. Then we will describe the electron transport. How electron transport take place? We have discussed that transport of electrons take place in the light reaction. So how does it take place? I will give only a very simplified view. तमें बहिरू आउरी डेभलप्ड अधिका जानी पारिबो, किंतु दिस इज द ओनली ए वेरी सिंप्लिफाइड वर्जन. फोटो सिस्टम 2 reaction center, that is P680, supposing this is the light harvesting complex of photosystem 2. फोटो सिस्टम 2 P680 तुम जहाँ कही पार लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स and when a photon of light is accepted, when a photon of light strikes this molecule through accessory ता तलकू तुम जान there are so many accessory pigments, so when light a photon of light strikes it, electrons are ejected. Electrons are ejected to higher orbit. Electrons are ejected. Reaction center chlorophyll A absorbs photo in photosystem 2. Reaction center chlorophyll A absorbs red light. So 680 means red light. Red light causing electrons to become excited. Electrons become excited and that jumps out of its orbit. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो एक्साइटेड हो निज ऑर्बिट रु विभिन्न तार प्रोसेस अच्छी सो लोअर ऑर्बिट रु ऊपर ऑर्बिट की पलैबे सो दे मूव ऑन टू द हायर ऑर्बिट्स एंड दैट इज पिक्ड अप बाय इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. So this is excited, picked up by electron acceptor, and it passes on the electrons through electron transport system, ETS. ETS means electron transport system. Electron transport system, electron through the electron transport system, and here electron transport system comprises of a series of cytochromes. A series of cytochrome molecules. So ताकू तुम डिटेल पढ़ो बट आई एम टेलिंग यू गिविंग यू द आइडिया केमिति फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन होची गोटे फोटोन ऑफ लाइट जो लाइट फोटो सिस्टम 2 को स्ट्राइक करुची तार इलेक्ट्रॉन हायर ऑर्बिट की चली जाऊँगी गेटिंग एक्साइटेड गोइंग टू द हायर ऑर्बिट एंड दैट इज accepted by an electron acceptor and that moves subsequently it moves downhill तलू आसुची गोटे कहती रिडक्स पोटेंशियल स्केल ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल स्केल अरेंज कले से गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम दे आसुची एंड इट कम्स टू द सेकेंड लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स that is LHC, that is called photosystem 1 or P700. And this is also another photon of light. Light strikes it and electrons are ejected from it to the higher orbit and it is received by an electron acceptor and subsequently a electron acceptor electron will be transferred from NADP ru NADPH H plus. So electron एमती एठो बाहरी गला इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रेजुअली से जो इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑल्सो P700 बाहर जाऊँगी दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज होल इज गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहरी गला माने इट दिस मॉलिक्यूल बिकम्स अनस्टेबल. तुम जानिथुव केमिस्ट्री पढ़ुथुव फिजिक्स रे पढ़ुथुव दैट सब बेले गोटे मॉलिक्यूल इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहरी गले दैट मॉलिक्यूल बिकम्स अनस्टेबल. टू स्टेबिलाइज इट PS1 को स्टेबिलाइज करने ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन ने PS2 रु इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन ने ये पास कर जाए लाइट इलेक्ट्रॉन पास कर जाए एंड दैट होल इज मेड अप ये होलटा पूरण हो जाउची ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन होलटा पूरण हो जाउची एंड जेतले यही इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर साइटोक्रोम सिस्टम दे पास करूची सेते बेले देयर इज सिंथेसिस ऑफ ADP-PI ru there is synthesis of ATP that is called photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation. तमें जानिथिबो there are three types of phosphorylation. Phosphorylation are the high energy intermediates. ATP माने होची utilizable form of energy जो आमे खाउचे जो खाद्य खाउचे ताको that is being converted to ATP and ATP can be used utilized in different types of work. ATP synthesis can take place mainly by three processes and ता भितर गोटी होची photophosphorylation that is light induced phosphorylation. ATP formation is called photophosphorylation. So यही जो प्रोसेसटा यही जो एटा गोटा है जेड भाया है तेणु दिस इज नोन एज ए जेड स्कीम जेड भाया है किंतु यू मस्ट हैव मार्क्ड एठी गोटा इलेक्ट्रॉन होल हो जाए इलेक्ट्रॉन होल इज फॉर्म गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहरी जाइए ये मॉलिक्यूलटा अनस्टेबल होइए टू स्टेबलाइज इट टू मेक इट स्टेबल देयर इज स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर दैट इज here there is water molecules split electron is released and 2H and 4E 2H and O E 2H ए गोटे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जब स्प्लिट कला ताले इलेक्ट्रॉन 2H प्लस एंड ए इलेक्ट्रॉनटा आसी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आसला एंड हियर ऑक्सीजन इज रिलीज्ड सो फोटोसिंथेटिक जो लाइट रिएक्शन ने दिस इज हैपनिंग एंड वी हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड that जेतले P700 इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर दे जंप करूची excited this molecule gets excited and electron is liberated that electron is being accepted by acceptor molecule and NADP is getting reduced NADPH H plus is formed and आमे देखिले ये जो प्रोसेस रे जेड स्कीम रे देयर इज ATP फॉर्मेशन देयर इज NADPH H plus formation and एट जो इलेक्ट्रॉन होलटा क्रिएट है ये होलटा मेकअप हो गला PS2 रु इलेक्ट्रॉन रन करी बट ये जो होलटा फिल वैकेंट हो गला खाली हो गला सेटा को पूरण करिया पई गोटे मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर स्प्लिट कला यदि वाटर स्प्लिट करिवो वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर व्हेन स्प्लिट्स फॉर्म्स these things and that electron goes and fills the hole and O or oxygen आमे जदि दीटा मॉलिक्यूल आमे गोटे मॉलिक्यूल करछे जदि दीटा मॉलिक्यूल करिवा ताले रिएक्शन विल बी लाइक दिस 4H O2 and 4E so electron hole make up हो जिवो and this is the total process of light reaction this is the total reaction of the light reaction light reaction दुईटा प्रोसेस रे हुए गोटे हूँ साइक्लिक प्रोसेस आ गोटे हूँ नॉन साइक्लिक प्रोसेस साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन एंड नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन तमें इफ यू विल मार्क दिस प्रोसेस ये जो जेड स्कीम टाक जो देखिबो दिस इज नॉन साइक्लिक गोटाए वे रे जाउची वन वे so this is living organisms have capability of extracting energy and store it in the form of bond energy that is ATP living organisms organisms have capability of extracting energy and store it in the form of ATP. Synthesis of ATP is called phosphorylation. तमे ये पॉइंट सब मन रखिबो. The living organisms have capability, every living organism have the capability of extracting energy and store it in the form of bond energy, that is ATP. Tomorrow we will discuss respiration, that thing. Synthesis of ATP is called phosphorylation, and there are we have just discussed non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, এটা হচ্ছে গোটে non-cyclic process, because once electrons are released, that doesn't come back, that goes on, and there is ultimate NADPH formation, reducing NADP into NADPH. But there is another process when there is enough NADPH,